Six female habits that men simply adore. Number 5 will surprise you. Every man should respect and love his lady and be aware that she is the most valuable thing in his life. Although they love their women with all their hearts, there are still some small things that annoy them just a little bit, and we all know that sometimes they can be a bit difficult. Writing messages or perhaps calling constantly, acting like a kid, going shopping each day are a number of the points men consider irritating. However, more than enough with the feminine habits that men consider irritating, and let's focus on things that they adore in females. Below we offer 6 main habits men simply adore in women. Touching his hair while he is driving. When you touch and play with his hair, he doesn't just a physical pleasure, but he also considers it as a sign of love, affection and connection. They simply adore their women when they do this. She admires him on social networks. This is very obvious and you probably know it. Your man loves when you say how much you appreciate him in public. Listens to him carefully. When the woman listens to her man while he is speaking and paying close attention to what he is saying, it means that she loves and appreciates him a lot. Laying your head on his chest. All men simply love it when the woman places her head on his chest. This makes them feel protective, strong and gives them self-confidence. Women also feel secure when they do this, which is every man's objective, to make their woman feel safe and secure. Texting or calling him when you are out with your friends. He may not admit this, but believe us, every man adores this no matter what he is saying. In this way you show that you think about him all the time, even when you are out with your friends. Showing your affection in public. Even the simplest things like a gentle hug, holding his hand or fixing his hair in public can make his heart beat faster and the love towards you will grow stronger. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.